guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Rabiana, and today we have a wig video sponsored by Wiggins hair. Thank you guys so much for sending over this wig. So to get started, we'll be needing a spray bottle. All of these things can be found in my Amazon store. Also, I'm using the Edge Booster Gel. You guys know this. I'm using some clips to pull back my hair. Cute clips, cute clips. The L'Oreal Infallible Pro Matte to tint my lace. This brush, this detangling brush, you guys know I always use this. Scissors, and also a edge brush, you guys, to lay my baby hairs. I'm also using a fan today, something new, and also my Ghost Monster cream. So the wig unit that we're working with today is a 250% density loose deep wave hair texture in 28 inches. So we are working with a lot of hair. I feel like I missed this kind of hair. I don't know why they haven't been sending me this, but thank you to Wiggins for sending me this wig unit, which is right on time. So before I even put on this wig unit, I did bleach the knots and wash this hair. So what you guys see right now is a freshly washed wig, and I also defined my curls. Make sure you guys check down below in my Amazon store for all of my hair tools, and also I have a lot of other different categories you guys should definitely check out. But anyways, I am going to pluck this wig unit because it's a full density wig, so I'm trying to open up the parting space as much as possible, or the hairline as much as possible, and that's pretty much it. It was really easy to pluck considering that I did bleach the knot. So I want to talk to you guys about how I cut into my lace. Right here, I am showing you guys that I'm literally cutting right where the lace frontal and the wig cap is stitched together, just so that I can relax my ear. It's comfortable for me, and I can pull down and lay my sideburns exactly where I want them. Make sure you guys are cutting into your lace first before you are gluing, because if you don't, I just feel like your wig wouldn't lay how you would want it to. So anyways, you guys, I am just going to let this play out and apply my wig unit as normal. I think that the most important thing about this wig unit is that it is really full and it's really plush. And the reason why I love the loose deep wave hair textures is because it is versatile and it's manageable. You can rub your fingers straight through this hair. The curls are not too tight and they're not too loose. It's perfect, you guys. And also, you'll be able to straighten this with no problems because, again, it's not too tight of a curl. And also, if you want to brush this hair out and just get the raw Indian hair vibes, the hair lusters of raw Indian hair, this is the hair texture for you. And that's another reason why I love this hair texture. You cannot get the raw Indian hair vibes out of any other texture except for loose deep wave. It's perfect, especially on vacation, the summer months and things like that. Very light, airy hair, you guys, but at the same time, you're getting the fullness.